Welcome. Welcome to the GMAIN Analysis 2020 September 3rd. Candidates who appeared for GMAIN 2020 September exam can now check the paper and session-wise analysis of the entrance exam here. Here we prepared GMAIN paper September 3rd analysis on the basis of student reviews. Physics was the toughest among the three subjects. This paper was of moderate level as per students. Students from different institute in India and Knowledge Planet UAE said that the papers were difficult compared to January session as GMAIN the 3rd of September 2020 analysis for Shift 1. Section difficulty level. Physics difficult. Chemistry easy. Maths moderate and lengthy. Overall moderate. Initial reaction of students. Physics had many numerical based questions. September exam was easier than the January exam, as per many students. Overall students were happy with the total paper. Some questions in the overall paper were tricky. In maths, questions came from vector and 3D, matrices, complex numbers, integration, differential equations, calculus, coordinate geometry. Chemistry was maximum theory based. Most of the questions were asked from chemical, bonding and coordination compounds. Physics was time consuming. As per the students, physics was the most difficult section of all. Chemistry was the easiest. Maths was at a moderate level and was lengthy. GMAIN analysis, September 3rd afternoon shift. The second shift exam was completely different from the first shift, as the difficulty level was moderate. Physics as usual was the toughest section with most of questions based on numeric problems. Mathematics was moderately difficult and chemistry was the easiest. There were more questions of class 12 topics for physics. Let's look at physics section. As we discussed in previous video related to final preparation for G. Almost same number of questions asked from those chapters. Here we go for the unit-wise analysis for today's paper. Topics with most weightage in physics: electromagnetism, electrostatic, kinematics. While physics continued to be the tough subject in the Shift 1 exam on day 3, chemistry turned out to be easy. Expert says that the physics section was comparatively difficult than chemistry and maths. In physics, the overall paper was calculative and slightly tricky. While the chemistry portion was mostly theoretical and organic chemistry was difficult compared to physical and inorganic. The maths paper was easy and balanced. This is the suggestion for GMAIN September 4th to 6 test takers. Candidates appearing for the subsequent shifts of the exam must note that numerical based questions must be practiced as a part of the last minute revision. The physics section is getting numerical questions, which are not only lengthy but also time consuming. So plan your revision and study accordingly. All the very best. Stay tuned.